Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or whatever part of the day it is for you. I am Laz Jean, and I'd like to thank you for joining our daily enlightenment community. Together, we're building a better you, one thought at a time. Today's theme, knowledge and wisdom, knowing the difference. Today's enlightenment, knowledge fills the mind. Wisdom teaches the mind how to use what it knows. Our reflection. Have you ever met someone who knew a great deal of information, yet struggled to make good decisions? And have you ever met someone with less formal education who consistently offered wise advice? There's an important difference between knowledge and wisdom. Knowledge is learning facts, gaining experience, and expanding our understanding. Wisdom is knowing how, when, and why to apply what we've learned. Every day, we have access to more information than ever before. Books, videos, news, artificial intelligence, and countless opinions. But information alone doesn't always lead to better decisions. Wisdom grows when we take time to reflect, ask thoughtful questions, and learn from both our successes and our mistakes. Learning should never stop, but neither should reflecting on what we've learned, because knowledge may fill our minds, but wisdom shapes our lives. Today's practice. Today, learn one new thing. It doesn't have to be something complicated. Read a short article. Learn a new word. Ask someone about their life experience. Then take just a few moments to ask yourself, how can this make me a better person? That's where wisdom begins. Closing thought. Remember, knowledge tells us what is possible. Wisdom helps us choose what is best. Until next time, thank you for spending these few moments with me today. If today's daily enlightenment encouraged you, I invite you to subscribe and become part of our growing community. Feel free to share today's message with someone who could use a little encouragement. Until next time, make today a great day.